Do you know about the latest feature in Safari browser where you can create a new profile? For example, if you're doing your professional and personal work together in the same profile, it might be confusing for many peoples, but now it is good that you can create separate profiles. So how can you do that? I'm going to explain each and everything, but if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. To create a new profile in Safari browser, you need to open Safari browser first, and this is how the main page looks like. Now, to create profile, just go and select Safari option over here on the top, and you will get a new option saying create profile. Select that. A new window will pop up on the screen, and profiles, you can see option is already over here. You have to select new profile. And for example, if you're creating your work profile, so you can name it as work. So if you are creating your personal profile, you can name it as personal. Next option is symbol. You can choose different symbols for your profiles. If you want to see more, you can just select this three dot option and you get more symbol option. For example, if I want to select this option, so I'm going to keep this symbol for my work profile. Now it's not only the symbol, you can also choose colors for your profile. So you can select this color option, and if I want to keep this blue color for my work profile, I have selected it and it's done. The next thing is favorites. So if you want to keep the existing favorites option, you can select this second option, use existing folder, or else you can create a new bookmark folder for your work profile. After doing each and everything, select create profile. So now you can see it is showing me the work profile over here. If I close this, currently you can see we have selected the blue color, which is why it is showing us this. And if I open the bookmark tab, you can see a new work folder has been created. So if you want to add new bookmark, you can. So for example, if I search for google.com, let's say if I want to add Google in my work profile, you can just simply select the share option and add bookmark, and then you can select your work profile over here. Now this google.com will be added to my work profile. If I select add, now if I show you, you can see Google is added. Similarly, if I close this bookmark tab, currently you can see I am on work profile. Now, if you want to create your personal profile, you can do that as well. Once again, go on Safari. Now this time you have to select manage profiles. And then to add new profile, you get a plus option over here. You can select that and you can create a new profile. If I create personal over here, if I select different icon, if I select this, and if I select green color only, and let's create a new bookmark folder and select create profile. Now you can see the personal profile is also created. And if I show you the bookmark tab, you can see personal is created. To add more bookmark, you know what to do. Now, one more thing. If you want to delete any particular profile, go in Safari, manage profiles. For example, if I want to delete my work profile, I'm going to select it and then select this minus icon and delete profile. Now you can see only personal profile is visible. So this is how simple it is to create a profile in Safari browser. Now before ending this video, there is one important tip for you. If you are using your old macOS version, then you won't be able to create a new profile because you won't get that profile option over here. So make sure your macOS is updated to macOS Sonoma. So currently, this is the new feature which you only get in macOS Sonoma. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.